continuation of this opening because this opening's so fire. Open now. What am I gonna get on this score discount pack? I'm taking advantage of this. I mean, you're doing that. That's nice. Forrest Buckner. Kamar Aiken. Okay. It's kind of a waste. 1 in 4 chance of a rookie. Yeah, these packs are great. It's so fun. John Ross. Get that done with Richard Sherman. Randall Cobb. That's one of the best. Hold it up. OMG. Oh my god. How am I gonna pull a Jim Brown? Bruh! Press proof Eli Manning. You know what? I just pulled a Jim Brown. Bruh. Holy macaroni and cheese. How's that gonna happen? What else can I pull? Rob Gronkowski with the camo arm thing. Let's go. Travis Kelce. Some big boy tight ends. Press proof Ty Montgomery, my second one. Press proof Termer Simeon. What else will I get in this last one? Bang. Gridiron King Dak Prescott. Oh my god, bro. I'm going to... Like, no one's taking advantage of this. Why is nobody taking advantage of this? People need to. Oh my god, I'm just going to have so many Gridiron Kings. Because this comes with 5. And some press proofs, too. And I had, like, 18 things in storage. So, this may take a long time. Corey Coleman. LeSean McCoy. Press proof Mike Evans. Oh my god. Press proof Gerald Everett rookie card. And Aaron Rodgers Gridiron Kings. Okay. I'm officially done. Oh, and I got 2 times of him? Come on now. Wait, what? 2 times. What? I mean, like, look at all these. This was a special offer with a 1 in 50 chance of a signature card. Imagine, then I pull a signature card. This will officially been the greatest opening. No way. No! Deshaun Watson rated rookie. I'm officially done. I'm going to quit YouTube. No, come here. Sorry, but Ryan Chase here. Oh my god, I just got the Dak Prescott. What am I doing with my life? Press proof Cameron Hayward. No, this pack opening's too good. Oh my god. Gridiron Kings Phillip Rivers. Close. I need to go. Rated rookies Deshaun Watson. How? How is this possible? 1 in 2 chance for rated rookie. I think I opened up that one. Imagine how fire I can get with this. Another Randall Cobb. I like the Don Russ. These are really good cards. Jalen Richard. Press proof Anthony Barr. Sidney Jones. Matthew Stafford Gridiron Kings. How? This pack opening is too fire for YouTube. For YouTube, it's like this may get 30 views in a matter of seconds. Because this is the best pack opening. Russell Wilson. Tyrod Taylor. Press proof. It's over. It's over! That's such a cool card. Gridiron Kings Aaron Rodgers again. Oh my god. Goodness me. How can I possibly be doing this? Is this like pack luck? 1 in 2 chance for a rated rookie. 50% chance. 50% chance to pull fire. That's a good chance when you're thinking about it this way. It's a good chance that I'm gonna pull it. Like I did with the Deshaun Watson. Dan Marino! Dan Marino! No! I am done. A regular Tyrod Taylor. Cool. Cool. Marcus Peters. Oh my goodness. Jim Brown press proof! No! No! No way. No. 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 The trade block's gonna be disgusted. Robert Davis. Oh no. No. Jim Brown press proof. How am I gonna? What? Score insert. Oh my goodness. But I'm probably gonna pull like some 99 out of this, bro. It's like I pull some like, I don't know, some Deion Sanders, some freaking Jerry Rice, some Randy Moss. That would be cool. Alvin Kamara. Of course I get that. Bro, I'm on the verge of crying. This is such a good pack opening. Holy moly. Sammy Watkins. Deshaun Jackson. How are you going to do this to me? This is the gridiron one. So I should get a Gridiron Kings out of this and go crazy right here. You don't realize how lucky I'm getting with these pulls. OMG. Rich Gannon. Do you know what? He's a Super Bowl player. Whitney Merciless. Oh, he's such a god, but he got injured. Leonard Floyd. Oh my god. Press proof CJ Mosley. Bro, CJ's a god, bruh. Derek Carr. Oh my god. That silver looks amazing. 1 in 2 chance for a rated rookie. What happened here? Don't I open it? Yes, open it. Oh no! That's the guy I just pulled. But this is no. Look at this. I'm dying right now. Oh my god. Terrence West. Okay. Jim Zorn. Oh my god. He was such a god when he threw to Steve Largent. Oh my godness. Press proof Tom Savage. He is not a savage, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would be going crazy. But press proof. Still. Rated rookie. I want that rated rookie. I did get a 1 in 4 chance on the 1 in 20 chance. I did pull that for the rookie signatures. I'm getting so lucky right now. This is not like a spoof or a glitch. Everybody should be taking advantage of this, please. Amari Cooper. Adrian Peterson. Press proof David Johnson. Shadobe Awuzie. Of course I'm going to get him too. Press proof Bucky Hodges. I understand how long this video is, okay? There's more fire coming. I don't care that I spent money on this. It's for the greatest pack opening ever. Ever. For the greatest pack opening ever. Wake up, man! No way. Ho. Zay. I'm officially done. I know I've said that like 20 times. No way, bro. How? How am I gonna Fletcher Cox? Let's go. Another car press proof Paul Perkins. What can I get now? Mike Evans Gridiron Kings. No. I understand how long this video is, okay? There are only 3 more packs left, and I'm gonna pull something and go crazy. Bruh! Boo! No! How am I doing this? No, this is bad, okay? This is so bad that I'm getting these. I'm going to be a god church. James Conner! I just did it! I have just pulled a rated rookie again. That's a 1 in 15 chance. Carlos Dunlap. Let's see what else. Jameis Winston. OMG. Press proof Cameron Meredith. And Marcus Mariota! Dak Prescott, Derek Carr, and Marcus Mariota. How are you gonna do me like this? Okay, the second to last pack. Score insert. This is the 3 thing. It's 250 coins. Kind of a bust. But you should definitely open up these because there's no way. Dalvin Cook! No! No way! I'm sorry he got injured because he was gone. No! No! I'm freaking out right now. I'm freaking out right now. Jay Cutler, get off my screen. Get off my screen, Jay. Jay, please. Darrelle Revis. OMG. OMG. I'm hyped for the Darrelle Revis too. Open now. Come on, don't glitch out on me on the last pack. This could be like